channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. It's your girl NYC and I'm back with another video. So today we are going to be packing for another trip because I'm going on vacation because it's summer. Why wouldn't you want to go on vacation with me? Like, pack with me? Obviously not like for real though, because like I'm not there with you. I'm not there with you. But it's okay because like it's gonna be like the same outfit. Just know that same day that I did the clothing haul video. So don't worry, it's not like I'm dirty or anything. Like I'm very much clean. It's just the same day. And I have videos to record, you know, like empty. And as you can see, it's really flat. Now this was another bag that I had when I was at the hotel. So I'm gonna have to empty some stuff out from here, like this allergy medicine that I have. And then I have some nail glue and stuff. Hair ties, you know, everything. I'm just going to be packing everything because we are leaving tomorrow. And there's my travel toothbrush over here. But these are all of my products here that you can see. I even have my bonnet. I have everything laid out almost. And then this is a purse that I take with me like everywhere. This is so cute. It's a Hello Kitty keychain. I bought it from a girl at the mall. I think yeah, I broke the bottom of it. It used to be the whole entire body right there, but that's okay. Hi.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you guys the shoes that I actually have. Okay, sorry, my camera wasn't flipping, but this is some sandals that I bought. They are some regular brown ones. I don't know if you guys want to see me try it on. I'll just let you see me put it on. They're kind of ashy, so don't judge me. And then we have some Crocs my dad got me, fresh Air Forces. So them dirty ones that you be seeing me wearing that are worn out and tight, new fresh clean ones. That's okay. And then we have my Uggs that I got on my birthday. I don't know if I'm taking every single one. This coconut pineapple skirts, this fine fragrances, it lasted me, I want to say, how many years ago did I buy it?
We don't care.
Let me tell you.
I've had this for around a little over 2 years maybe. I'm sorry. Is that better for you? If you're ever thinking about getting me a gift and spending your money on me, know that I love coconut and I love pineapple. This is the one that I bought from Pink like a year ago. 8 outfits. She sent me a checklist. Outfits to go out. Then I had to pick some sleepwear outfits. I'm probably gonna pick one of those and pick out the stuff that I like to use. I'm gonna be fine. Every single one of these. Only reason why I'm not sure if this purple dress is gonna be an outfit is because I don't know if I'm bringing my packs. I'm going to pack it. And I'm gonna just have to go to bed. And my camera's about to die.
Boy, if you don't.
This, I'm packing. Swimsuit shorts. This is what we have so far. So we have 3 outfits. This top and summer. This is number 7. Okay, y'all, so what had happened was, but everything inside of here is packed. I'm gonna show you guys what it was packed. So I have some jeans here with rips in them. We have a skirt packed, and then you guys saw the shirts already. Shorts. These are capris. Tights that I put. I have some shorts underneath, if you can see that. And then there's some home clothes. I packed some leggings. I packed a tank top and then this colorful shirt, full t-shirt at the bottom. And it's just shorts and stuff. Nothing too fancy. It's 10:35. I'm just gonna pack my accessories and stuff inside of this red bag. And then I have this pink bag over here with the hotel stuff. If you go to the pool video that I had, you'll see it and you'll know which swimsuit I'm talking about. So that is good right there. I don't need this perfume. I'm leaving all my perfume. Glue, I'm gonna put it in here. The scrunchie is probably not needed. These are some hoops that I like, other than the ones that y'all see me wearing majority of the time. I have some silver ones that are really thin. Necklace choker. Actually matches my nails. Then we have the earrings that are matching it. I'm gonna pack this many of these scrunchies. I have some clear mascara. I just started wearing this today. This is some lip gloss. I have a head sign already, so I'm gonna pack this in conditioner. I like this and I bought it at the beauty supply recently. It works really nice on my hair. And then I'm taking the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum with argan oil from Morocco. For them, I've been using this really, and because it's like stronger. I think I'm gonna do like this one though for with me on the trip because I don't need to do too much and I don't have time to put it on inside of this bag. And I might take this, but the only thing I don't like about this, because I like using it, it's Cream of Nature argan oil, is that it's kind of greasy on my hair growth, as you can see on the bottle. I think I'm gonna take this one instead. So we're gonna see like what else. I'm gonna take this nail glue. I have the brush, but I also have the regular one. This is bag that I need. Yeah, nothing inside of there that I really need. So now this bag, we're done with it. Yeah, they're gonna come with me into the closet. Turning the light on. It's kind of yellow in here. All of my lights are yellow except for the studio light that I have. I'm going to put all of these back so that I don't miss anything before leaving. You know, I don't want to come back to it being super dirty. Take this hand sanitizer that I got from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good. It's called Gingham Love. Gingham Love. You guys can see it. This is the one that I'm taking. I'm gonna put it inside of my purse. I'm gonna put my bag back that I normally use. Now, 10:49. Put this trash downstairs and yeah. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and yeah, hopefully I go on my trip so that back again and you can pack with me. But yeah, oh, hit the notification bell to get next to you. Bye.
Okay, bye.